Today I will be making sheet pan pancakes. These are great to feed a crowd or a big family with hungry kids. Here are your ingredients. A lot of these are totally optional. So here I have my pancake mix, but you can use whatever pancake mix you need. Here I have my pan spray my sheet. I have some frozen fruits. You can also use regular non-frozen fruits or anything you like to put on top of your pancakes. I have some butter to go on top at the end. This is to measure out my water, a pizza cutter to cut the pancakes, and a measure. To start, I'm just going to be pouring 4 cups of my pancake mix into my bowl. There's my 4 cups of pancake mix. Depending on what pancake mix you have, you may do this differently. But with my pancake mix, all I do is add water, so that's all. So my pancake mix is done, and I do have a special ingredient, and it is vanilla extract. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna add a little more. And it just gives it a little more flavor. Fruit to the top. Remember, your fruit, it can be anything you want. I have frozen fruit just because I wanted to do this fruit instead. It's berries and blueberries. But you can also do non-frozen fruit.